The claim that the video shows the robot playing table tennis. A video shared on social media allegedly shows the robot playing table tennis. Background and claims, will humans ever be able to beat robots? Is this just the beginning? The video, circulated with his note, received millions of views on Twitter. Findings, it is noticed that the video encountered on Twitter was first uploaded to TikTok 2 days ago by a user named @animatro_nic3d. In the description section, robot versus human #Masateniasi match. Will robots start competing with humans in the near future? The statement is included when a user says, "The video has just been edited." The content producer @animatro_nic3d responds with, "I'm not sure what you're talking about," while using an emoji that means cunning. On the profile of the TikTok user who uploaded the video, he wrote, "I'm going to create these weird 3D looking things. I hope you enjoy watching it." The writing shows that the video that is the subject of the claim is a three-dimensional animation created in a digital environment. When the screenshots taken from the shared video are searched, the original video is accessed via YouTube. It is understood that the original video, which shows a table tennis match involving Slovak player Yang Wang and was uploaded in March 2023, has been digitally altered. It turns out that Slovak table tennis player Yang Wang has been removed from the video, and the video has been edited by replacing it with a robot that shows the same movements.
Nejhezčí měna celého zápasu. Zdálo se mi, že Bank už to vzdal. Udělal jednu otočku navíc, postavil se ke stolu a zůstal tam prostě. Olympijských her v Rio de Janeiro, kde postoupil do druhého kola a prohrál s Quadrimarunou.
The original video showing a table tennis match involving Slovak player Yang Wang has been digitally altered. The user who uploaded the alleged video creates content by creating three-dimensional moving images.